दो कौन थे दोनों? हाँ यहाँ वहाँ वो दोनों के बेटे कम 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 है कम है कम है पीछे पीछे
अंकेश है
थोड़ा सा पीछे बैग आ रहा है थोड़ा सा
कैमरे में लेंस में था प्रॉपर
बॉल बॉल यहाँ पे गोपाल यहाँ पे बॉल 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 बॉल
चलो आइल बैठ
ब्रदर 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 पीछे आ जाओ ना पीछे आ जाओ ना पीछे आ जाओ सेंटर अरे विकेट कीपर आ गया भाई
यहाँ बैठ जाओ हाइट में बैठ जाओ स्माइल सबके चेहरे दिखाओ स्माइल स्माइल गर्ल्स कैन वी हैव द चीयर प्लीज
No, I don't think we had any of those sorts. And yeah, again, if we had for sure, I mean, it would have been extremely helpful when it started for the first time and you know what's happening. And yeah, again, as school kids, I know I feel like half an hour when you can play and not to play is extremely hard, but I think it's an extremely important topic, and I just love their initiative. I mean, whatever like the stories he's been telling, I'm just feeling more and more proud that okay, I'm associated with a brand which is doing so much. I mean, I knew 60% of it. I still feel like I should sit down and have more conversation.
That's
with
what
him.
we're here for.
and yeah, again, it's extremely inspiring, and I hope that I could help in achieving zero period. And in next maybe some years we could proudly say that okay, we did good work. Yeah, I mean, for sure at that time I didn't know it's periods are the reason. I was too young to understand कि ये लोग क्यों नहीं खेल रहे. Of course there were girls who used to not play, most of the girls would not play, but again I feel it's their personal choice. But if they want to play and they have passion around playing, they should not be feeling that periods are the reason that they should stop playing and they can't play, because and that's where I feel we all come in play who've played sports, and we could just tell them that it's okay. I mean, the campaign is actually do a lot or not. I mean, on those days, if you really want to do, you could only, because of 3 days in a month, you could not do actually something which will make a career out of it and which you're passionate about. So for sure, I mean, period should never be the reason for any girl to stop playing cricket at any age.
Question to you is that women's cricket is growing very fast right now. So what are the changes do you still hope to see for young girls entering the sport today?
Well, it's been a massive change for women's cricket in the 5 years. I feel it's a journey, and us winning the World Cup has definitely inspired a lot of girls to play cricket. But one thing, again, I'm in a school, so I should speak that I feel one thing which has to be changed in schools is compulsory sports for girls as well, and be it any sport. I think cricket is one sport which we always talk about in terms of how it should be grown, but I feel girls playing sport is very important. So I feel again, I don't know if sports is sports is a subject, so okay, I'm in the right school. so yeah, again, but I don't know if it's still there in all the schools. Cricket should also be a part of that sports, because growing up for us, sports was there, but cricket wasn't included. It was only for boys. I used to play handball because cricket wasn't there. So I hope that cricket again is included in that sports for girls to choose.
I think the students need to change their mindset. The girls now need to take that sport up. They're yet not taking it up as much as boys.
And no math teachers are taking away the PE classes. Cheers to that. Nuisko, one more question if we had, yeah?
Good morning, ma'am. My question is, since cricket is a game of inevitable margins, you could get out on the first ball itself. So how do you motivate yourself to get back on the field?
At this age, I would never be able to ask this question.
The amount of clarity she carries.
The way she asked
question.
Very articulate.
I mean, I would not even know the words which you spoke. Sorry, again, can you repeat? I was so involved in the way you were asking that I didn't hear the questions.
Smriti got smitten away with...
Cricket is a game of inevitable margins, which means you could even get out of on the first ball itself. So how do you motivate yourself to still get back on the field?
I think not only cricket, I feel life is such. You could have a bad day, the next day would be the best day of your life. So again, like playing cricket has taught me that every day is a new day. And yeah, I could score a 0, I could score 100, but what is important for me is what I do the next day. I still get up, I still do my gym session, I still do my recovery session, and I still eat the same thing. So for me, I feel as athlete that is very important, because you're going to have bad days more than you'll have good days. So what you do on the consistency, what you do after the good day or a bad day is something which is very important for me, and motivation for us is just definitely just playing for your country. I mean, you can't do anything wrong when you play for your country.
Absolutely. Yeah, we have one more question here.
Good morning, ma'am. My question to you is that do you follow a specific diet plan on a normal match day or on a match day where during your periods?
I do try to follow a diet sometimes where I do feel like having a lot of cheat days as well, but I do try and follow diet. But again, as I said, for me, hydration is the key before the match, especially when I know my periods are around the corner. So hydration is key. Otherwise, also for athletes, but yeah, again, sometimes I do keep alarms and get up. If there's a match tomorrow, I would get up and just have that much amount of water or electrolytes just to keep myself hydrated before when I know especially that the periods are around, because you tend to cramp quite a lot more than the other days.
Thank you.
Thank you. Should we go one more question? Last one. I know you've had your hand raised for a while. Go ahead.
Hello, Smriti Di. It's a great day for me to have you here.
Hello.
So my question is, do you ever feel while skipping practice during periods?
Oh, so many times. Not only on periods, but there are days where you do feel like skipping practice, and those are the days where you have to tell yourself that it's important for you to actually practice, because that's what's going to help India win the match. But having said that, when you're on periods, I think it's extremely important to listen to your body and not mind. Sometimes mind tells you all the other things that, oh, okay, aaj period chal raha hai, chhod. But if you're actually not feeling any pain, you're fine. You can definitely do practice and do everything which you can do on a non-period day, I would say. So yeah, again, but there are days where you feel like your back is extremely stiff, your stomach is hurting, some people get cramps in legs. So if those things are happening, I'm sure that you could take one day off. You've practiced so much, one day off is not going to get you out the next match.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I know we had another student from Meena Devi. I'll take one last question from you before we close up.
You can't say no to her, no?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My question is, at what age did you start playing cricket, and do you prefer batting or bowling?
I started playing cricket when I was 5, and I used to go to practice with my brother at that time. I actually prefer bowling.